Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a beginner flexibility class for full body stretching, and we're going to practice sun salutes. Begin at the top of your mat. You may or may not want a couple of blocks, but you'll be fine either way. Begin with good posture. Stand evenly between both feet. Bring the palms to touch. Bring your awareness to the breath. In and out, through the nose as best as you can. Arrive. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Lift up, look between your hands. And on an exhale, forward fold, soften the knees. Step your right foot back to a lunge. Make sure the left knee stays over the left ankle. Left foot back to a plank. Chaturanga. Lower the knees for this first round. Keep the elbows in close. We're going to lower down halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Tops of the feet are down, shoulders away from the ears. Tuck your toes, exhale, downward facing dog. Step the left foot up between your hands. You can lower the left knee and use your right hand to scoop the heel forward if you need to. Set up a lunge on the right leg. Knee over ankle. Tall on the toes of the back foot. Step up to the top of your mat. Relax over both legs. Forward fold. Round up to standing. Arms above the head. Lift up, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Left foot steps back to a lunge. Right foot back to plank. We are intentionally moving a little bit to get our energy going. We're going to chaturanga. I'll demonstrate full chaturanga. Lower down halfway. Strong pose. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, tuck the toes. We're in downward facing dog. Left foot steps between the hands for a lunge. Knee over ankle, tall on the toes of the right foot. Shoulders away from the ears. Step up, forward fold at the top of your mat, over both legs. Round up to stand. Arms above the head. Lift up, reach up. And exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift. Inhale, roll the shoulders back. And from here, place your hands on the mat and step back to a plank pose. Knees up or down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Warrior one, right side. Step the right foot up between the hands. Back foot is flat. At about 45 degrees, bring your hands to your hips to lift up. You want to square your hips to the top of the mat. Back foot is flat. I'll keep saying that. Relax your shoulders, reach your arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale, float your hands down to frame the right foot. Lift onto the toes of the back foot. We're in a lunge. Right foot back to plank. Vinyasa, that's our chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward facing dog. Left side, left leg steps between the hands. Step the right foot up a little bit, flatten the foot, and separate the heels a little bit, widthwise. Upper body up, work the right hip forward, bend the left knee, arms reach above the head, palms face each other. Float the hands down to frame the left foot, lift onto the toes of the right for a lunge. Left foot back to plank. Vinyasa, chaturanga, back to downward facing dog. Look between your hands, walk or hop forward, relax over both legs, bring the toes and heels to touch. Bend the knees, sit back, awkward pose, chair pose. Shoulders down, arms are up, bend the knees, sit back, wiggle the toes. Reach the fingertips away from the tailbone. Stand up, leave the arms overhead. Inhale, reach, look between the hands. Exhale, bring your palms to touch at heart center. Stand tall, create good posture. And take this moment to just scan, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gratitude for the energy you have shifted. We'll close with a breath. Inhale, arms overhead. Reach up, stay tall. Inhale. Long exhale, hands lower down to your sides or heart center. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your presence. Let me know what you think with a like, with a comment, a subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.